Good day, everybody. It's Brett Fleming, owner of Pioneer Hay Sales. We had some drone imagery come out here on Saturday. We had a second cut orchard and orchard alfalfa baling day. And Dana, who does a lot of our drone imagery, was able to spend a good afternoon with us. So this is about 7 o'clock at night. We were baling and unloading and whatnot. And as you can see here, we have Dick, and he is just driving around. He's going to be unloading wagons here in a few seconds. There's a constant traffic flow when we're baling. So we have wagons coming in, getting unloaded. We have people in the field down the road that are loading trucks and bringing them back. Today we actually had a neighbor of ours, Dave, came by with his 210 Marcrest baler as well. So we actually had 3 balers able to go at the same time. As you can see, we had our mower and our combine out. We're actually running out of space here now. This farm location, we have room for about 100,000 small squares, but the barn to the left, where our dryer barn is, our Chinook, we like to keep that one open until the last bit of the year, just in case we have to dry some hay. So we are getting a little bit tied up here right now. With space. As you can see, Dickie's just waiting right now, waiting for the next truck to show up. You'll see here in a second that the truck shows up. It's going to drive around our loop that we have set up and then lift up his claw that kind of holds everything into place. As you can see, we got balers going on in the background as well. We were going to be baling that night till about 8:30. It did start getting a little bit tough around 8 o'clock, so we had to dry some of it. But this hay coming off that he's unloading right now is from the OA field. It was a pretty good day for baling. We were a little bit surprised it actually didn't dry down a little bit better in spots. When we first started the day, we had to dry this. But by about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the hay was coming off at about 14-15%. So I was able to go into the barn that you see right in front of where we're unloading, and it was able to come off dry. So we didn't have to bother too much with too much drying. We would rather not dry if we don't have to, but obviously we have it there just to keep acres cut and keep the maturity at as mature as we can. Without it getting too mature on us. But yeah, as you can see, we left 2 bales at the same time. Here's Richard driving into the barn. We just have a little bit of a spot there. Those big squares that are to his right are actually going to a local dairy farm 2 days later, so they're actually gone now, so we have a bit of room. At this point, you're probably looking at the barn and going, oh, there's a bit of space in there. It's actually all the way to the door. It's just to the right of where those big squares were. It's all that we have left for space in that barn now. That barn itself will hold 35 to 40,000 bales approximately. Zooming out here, Dana's going for a little fly to the west. That's our neighbor Dave. That's baling right now in the John Deere. These rows were raked 28 feet together, so we were doing double rows. The orchard grass did yield a little bit less than the orchard alfalfa, so the orchard alfalfa field actually did phenomenal. It went about 94 bales the acre. This orchard field, this front 50 that we have, it went exactly 50 bales the acres, which is still good for a straight grass. Last year, we were really dry by this time of the year, and we didn't really get a whole lot of moisture to get any grass growing. So our second cut in this field was only 20 and our third was only 10. It was hardly worth the effort really last year. So if we can get 50 bale the acre, we're real happy about that. It makes it worth it for us. And actually you can't see the other 2 balers. They're on the other side of the field. But we had Dave over on the west side, and actually my dad was in the 200 Magnum. I was in the other John Deere 7R on the far side. And yeah, we were really happy to get that field done that night. We didn't think we were going to be able to, just because we had 150 acres to do that day, but we ended up doing nearly 11,500 bales that day, and it was all in the barn and undercover by 12:30 at night. So we were pretty excited about that. If you have any comments, just feel free to leave them in the comment section. And really like some subscribers on our YouTube channel. I appreciate everybody that's following us on Facebook and Instagram. Send us a like and give us a follow. Thanks so much.